One of the final things you need to prepare is your standards, and this is also very important. You do not have to work with everyone. I know I'm teaching you how to go out and get after your revenue goals, and you might think that means more clients is better. But that's not the case. You may want to take on every client to hit your goal, but some clients are not worth it. You don't want to accept listings with misaligned clients. The wrong clients can cost you. Yes, you may earn a paycheck, but they can cost you many more paychecks in the process. It is vitally important to only work with clients that you're aligned with. Clients who are not aligned will drain your resources. They drain your energy, your time, and your money. They are the ones who feel like a headache from day one. Don't ignore these signs when prospecting. These people can waste hours of your time and make unrealistic demands. Do not follow up with prospects who begin to drain your energy. Be selective of which leads you decide to work into listings.